أول شيء بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. جاهزين إن شاء الله مباراتنا أول مباراة في الدوري مع الأهلي فريق قوي، فريق عمل موسم كبير، كان في المراكز الأربعة الأولى، عنده لاعبين في المستوى العالي. إن شاء الله احنا جاهزين مع المدرب واللاعبين وعارفين ان اهميه المباراه. ان شاء الله ندخل بكل قوه ونحاول ان شاء الله نقدم مردود كبير ونحاول نفوز بالمباراه ان شاء الله. شكرا.
Al Ahly game, it's gonna be a strong game for sure. It's the first one, so we have to know that in front of us we have a very good team that the last season they reached the Champions League place. They have a very good players, they have a very good coach. But we know that we have to be in our best level if we want to start the league in the best way, like we finalized the last season. And then we know that we are in the beginning of the season and we are not in our best moment, our best level, because it's the first round. But we are really excited, really motivated with this season because we want to continue in the same way that we finalized the last season. And then we want to try to get the 3 points, respecting Al Ahly, but knowing that if we want to improve in the league, if we want to continue making history, we need to try to be in our best level. So it's very important to respect the opponent, but we have to think in ourselves. We have to think that we have to work for the team, we have to be together. This is the most important thing. And then later, let's see the result, but we are ready to compete and ready to enjoy the league.